Hey guys, it's Sajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a recreate with me video. Like, I have a recreate, I can't even talk. I have a recreate with me series here on this channel. I don't know what number this is. So this is the recreation of Willow Smith for Jimmy Kimmel by D Makeup Art, and this is what it looks like. If you guys want to see how I did this makeup recreation, then just keep on watching. So like I said in the intro, I'm going to be recreating this beautiful look. You can't really see it because my phone's dying, so the brightness is kind of low. I'll insert a picture right here on Willow Smith by D Makeup Art. I love this look so much. So let's just get started. So first I'm just going to prime my eyes with some concealer. The concealer that I'm using is a Multitasker Rimmel London Multitasker Concealer. First I'm going to take the NYX Modern Dreamer palette, and I'm going to take this like teal-ish shade right here, and I'm just going to take that on a M441 brush, and I'm just going to start blending that into the crease. Now I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. I'm going to take the first blue in the blue row on that same brush and just pop that into the crease. I love blue eyeshadow on brown eyes. I think it looks so good. It kind of looks like, I'm gonna assume that it's going from like her nose contour, but it kind of looks like there's a little bit of brown like in like the front of the brow, like right here. So I'm just gonna take Preppy Pecan and just lightly blend that like kind of down like toward the front of the eye, but also a little bit down like the bridge of the nose. The Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette again. I'm going to take the darkest blue on a Morphe M441 brush and just lightly blend it on the outer corner, because it looks like she has a little bit, like she has a blue wing for sure, but it also looks like there's a little bit on the outer corner. So now I'm just going to take Daydream and put that on our lid. So I'm just going to take the darkest blue from that palette and kind of do like a wing with it. Now I'm going to take the You Can Be Athena palette, and I'm going to take the darkest blue in that palette and just do a wing eyeliner with that. I did the eyeshadow first just to create kind of like a smoky effect. Now I'm going to use blue. And now for my favorite part, well, I'm going to do half of it now and half of it later. You'll see when I like do it. So I'm going to take the, let me see what this looks like. Is that pink enough? No. I need like a really pink. So I'm going to take, I know I'm using a bunch of different palettes and I'm really sorry, but I'm going to take the Wonka Bar palette from Glamlight, and I'm going to take Oompa Loompa. I'm going to put it in our inner corner, kind of like on the bottom. Oh, this is actually more purple than I wanted it to be. It's supposed to be like pink. So let's use a different color. We're going to use Candid Candy Floss. Nothing is like pink enough. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go in with the Athena palette, and we're gonna take the bright pink, and we're gonna put it, okay, and now I'm gonna set that with Tutu from the Beauty Bay palette. And now I'm going to go over with Candid Candy Floss just to make it shimmer. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we're going to do foundation. Now for under eye concealer, we're just gonna, hers is like pretty bright, like close to her eye, so we're just gonna take the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 18. We're also just gonna take some of this like white face stuff. It doesn't really have a name, although it probably did, but I threw it with packaging. So I'm just gonna take this. And now to bronze our face, we're just gonna take the ColourPop bronze stick in the shade Shell Beach. And now we're gonna set everywhere we put concealer with this pressed powder. Now we're gonna do some cream blush. We're gonna take the Juvia's Place cream blush in the shade Rosy Posy. And now for under eyes, we're just gonna take the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. I'm gonna take that darkest blue and pop that under our eye. And now for highlighter, we're just gonna use that same Candid Candy Floss. And now for lips, she kind of just has like a nude lip, so I'm just gonna take this Wonka lip liner from Glamlight. I think I'm gonna do like her little piercing, so I'm just gonna like put a piercing on my eye. Even though hers is like real, I'm just gonna do it because I feel like it'll be cute. And then I'm gonna put on a lash. I feel like her lashes are blue, but I don't have any blue lashes, so I'm gonna try to look for a smaller lash just to like not like take up a lot of like space on the beautiful eye look. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished recreation of the Willow Smith for Jimmy Kimmel. I love it so much. I hope you guys can see like the pink in the inner corner. I think it's so cute. I love it a lot. Let me know what you guys think of this recreation down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below for your convenience. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I'm trying to reach 300 subscribers. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I truly hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.